Hello viewers, today talk about in a new video. Paresh Rawal returns signing amount with 15% interest after exiting Hera Fairy 3. Please have a look. Amid a row over Paresh Rawal's decision to leave Hera Fairy 3, it is now being reported that the actor returning the signing amount along with the interest of 15%. As per a Bollywood Hungama report, Paresh Rawal was being given 15 crores to do the film. The actor, according to the report, also had reservation about the particular clause in the term sheet. Paresh reportedly paid more than the signing amount and the interest, citing its sources. Bollywood Hungama reported Paresh Rawal has returned the signing amount of 11 lakh with 15% interest and also a little more money for stepping away from the series. Paresh Rawal was paid 11 lakhs as a signing amount as per the term sheet. His total fees will rock to 15 crores. The actor, as per a clause, would receive the rest of his fee only after the film release, which would not be unit next year or 2027. The term sheet mentioned that Paresh Rawal would receive the balance amount 14.89 crores only 1 month after the release of the film. The senior actor had reservation about this clause. Also, the film principal shoot was to sometimes next year. It means that Hera Fairy 3 was unlikely to be released before late 2026 or in the year 2027. In short, Paresh would have had to wait for nearly 2 years to get the rest of his acting fee as per the report. Paresh's sudden departure for the project last week shocked the film industry and fans of franchise of who have been waiting for the third part for the close of 20 years. Akshay Kumar will also serve as producer of the Hera Fairy 3. Paresh for his action. Pooja Tikde joined her managing partner of Parinam Law Associate, which represent Akshay Kumar banner, told news agency PTI, "I think there will be some legal consequences. It's of course hurt the franchisee. We have written to him letting him know that there are a lot of legal consequences involved. There have been expenses incurred toward the cast, toward the crew, toward leading senior actors, logistic equipment, shooting of the trailer." Paresh Rawal portrayed the role of Baburao Ganpatrao Apte in the Hera Fairy franchise. Hera Fairy released in theatre in 2000, while film Hera Fairy hit the cinema in 2006. The first film was directed by Priyadarshan, who is also attached to the third installment. Hera Fairy 2000 also starred Akshay Kumar, Sunil Shetty, Tabu, Om Puri, Gulshan Grover. फिर Hera Fairy directed by late Neeraj Vora, featured Vipasa Basu, Rimi Sen, Sarat Saxena, Johnny Lever, Rajpal Yadav and Manoj Joshi among others. Stay tuned for the latest update. Don't forget like, share and comments and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.